In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your iPhone. This is going to work on an iPhone Air or really any device running at least iOS 26 or future iOS versions. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But this is exactly what you're going to want to do if you're selling, trading in, or giving away your phone, because it's going to completely delete your data. Just before you do reset it, back up your data to your iCloud or to a computer, or even just transfer your data to another device. Once this reset is done, everything is gone unless you have backed it up. But go ahead and open up these settings on your device and scroll down and tap on General. From here, scroll down to the very bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Erase All Content and Settings. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and you're going to see a summary of what's going to be removed, including all your apps, all your photos and videos, and your Apple ID is going to be signed out, as well as Find My iPhone is going to be disabled. Tap continue, and if your Apple ID is still signed in, you may be asked to enter in your password. Go ahead and do that, and then tap erase, and that reset's going to begin. From here, your phone's going to restart multiple times. It's also going to show the Apple logo in a loading bar, and this can take a few minutes depending on how much data is on your phone. So I recommend keeping it plugged into a charger if your battery is low, just because you don't want it to die during the process. But once you see that hello screen, swipe up and your iPhone's going to be officially wiped clean and ready for its new owner. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you do have any questions, remember, you can ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.